If you've been keeping up with my whole Vlogmas thing, you would know that I've been kind of under the weather for a while now. I do not know why I'm not getting better. A little fun fact about me is I have probably one of the worst immunities of anybody ever. I get sick every 2 weeks during the winter time, and it's just something that I've learned to deal with. I have a lot to do the rest of the day regarding like schoolwork and then also just like editing. So we're gonna have to be really productive in a short amount of time, but I'm bringing you guys with me to kind of keep me on track because I always feel like when I'm filming videos, I'm more productive because if I'm not filming, I'll just like get distracted by going on my phone and stuff. So that's not good. Right now, I'm going to head to one of my favorite restaurants. They close in an hour, which I kind of didn't take into consideration. It's a cute little cafe, so I was hoping that I could order food and then also get some homework done while I'm there. I am bringing like my school laptop and stuff, so hopefully I'll be able to get some done, but yeah, let's just go there. Okay, I made it home. I think I'm going to clean my room. When I was looking at my Chromebook, just checking in with like my classes and trying to like remember what like homework I actually have to do, I actually do have a lot. So I think I'm going to just clean my room because a clean room equals a clear mind. Then after I clean my room, I can like sit down and actually do my homework and get my editing done without being overwhelmed by the state of my room. My room really isn't that messy, but there is definitely some stuff on the floor and just like things that I want to pick up and just like organize. So we're gonna do that together and then we'll get into the hard stuff. I'm gonna start by making my bed because after my bed is made, I feel like my room just looks so much cleaner. I have been trying to make my bed every single day. Usually on school days I don't have time to make it right when I get up, but on the weekends I try to make it right when I get up, and then like after I get home from school I'll usually make my bed. I don't do anything crazy. I literally just like put my comforter like spread out and then I put this throw blanket like over the side. Ew, my bathroom is also a mess. I think my room looks a lot better. Like I said, it really wasn't that messy to begin with, but just getting the stuff that was on the floor off the floor is just relieving. So, now it's time to do homework and I don't want to. I think I might need to take some notes for my sociology class, but for some reason I feel like I don't. Oh my god, I don't know what I need to do. I am such a bed type of person. Like, I know it's not healthy to do like work or school in your bed because your bed is supposed to be for relaxing and sleeping, and I definitely do see like the dwindling negative effects that working in my bed has on me. But ever since COVID and online school, I've been doing my homework in my bed and it's so much more comfortable. But I know it's bad because I recently saw this TikTok and it was like some person that that seemed like very educated on the topic. They were talking about how we all are so overwhelmed and just like exhausted and tired of whatever is going on in our lives, and at the end of the day when we lay down in our beds we can't shut off our brains or relax because we use our beds for so much more than just like sleeping, which is what beds are for. So I think it's really bad that I do my homework in my bed, but also like it's so much more comfortable than sitting at a desk, you know what I mean? So why not be comfortable while I do my work? So I should probably stop, but I'm probably not going to. This is my setup when I take notes in my bed. I literally put just a pillow on my lap. I have my notebook, I have my markers or my pens that I'm gonna use to take the notes, and then I put my Chromebook, my school laptop, right in front of me, and I take notes on the video or the slideshow or whatever I am watching at the time. So that's what I'm gonna do for the next 10 minutes-ish, because this video is 10 minutes long. It'll probably take me more than 10 minutes, but I'm gonna try to do it fast because I do not want to take notes. Alright, I finished all of my notes that I had to take from my sociology class, and that is like my first class of the day. So I have like all of my other classes to go through and do my homework for. It's already getting dark. I hate that it gets dark so early. It's only 3:44 right now. We'll check in with my creative writing class because I know I have a lot to do in that class. Okay, I finished some of my homework, most of it. The stuff that I can do at home, I finished. I think it's been like an hour-ish. I think I'm gonna do my skincare right now so that my makeup is off and I'm ready to go to bed whenever. And then my brother asked me if I'd go to the grocery store with him, so I think I might do that. I kind of want to do a face mask just because today is feeling very like self-care-like, even though I've been pretty productive. I need to figure out like a better angle for when I film in the bathroom because I absolutely hate this one. Okay. I don't know what face mask to use. I low-key have all of these sheet masks and I'm sick of them being in here, so I might do one of these. They're just so slimy and like they barely stay on your face. But I don't want to waste all these because like I've never bought one of these. Like most of these have been sent to me. And like that's low-key terrifying. Like that shit is so scary. Like if somebody ran up on me in the middle of the night wearing one of these, I would probably beat the out of them. And they always get in my hair and stuff, like in my eyeballs. I feel like my face is too little for them. I feel like that's the problem because like none of the holes, the mouth hole or the eye hole, like nothing's matching up. And I can barely talk because it's gonna fall off. 15 to 20 minutes. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Set a timer for 15 minutes. That felt really nice. It was kind of sliding off my face. Not too bad, but like it definitely didn't stay on that well. It felt really like cooling and refreshing though, which I love. I turn up but I never abuse you. Frozen in the snow. How many should I get? Alright, we made it to the grocery store. I don't exactly know what we need to get. I think Noah just needs turkey and cheese. And I want to get yogurt and we need milk. Do we need to get waters too since Dad didn't? These little goat cheeses are so good. I'm not a huge goat cheese person, but I got this one time to put on like little crackers. Not this particular one. It was like a honey goat cheese and it was so good. Oh, here, this one. This one's gas. Frozen in the snow. The number one rule of the grocery store is never go when you're hungry, and I happen to be starving, so this might not end well. I've been drinking and driving.
Look, there's only one left. That's weird. Guess we'll have to take that. Yeah.
That's like $8 milk for no reason. Mmm, milk.
Ooh. Gross, bro. Look at how much milk they like.
And look at all these eggs and shit. Look how many eggs. Dairy Hall. How big are the jumbos?
They're the same eggs, bro. They're pranking us.
Wait, we should switch what? Prank channel. Someone's gonna be like, damn, that's a big ass egg. That's a tiny.
Dang, we got screwed.
Dairy Run. Okay, I need you guys to help me out with something. What is the difference between spring water and purified water? And what's better? Because so many people are so passionate about the type of water that they drink, but I've never paid attention to it. Do you know? Or there's like mineral. Purified water is a slightly higher purity than spring water. Tap water or Okay, we made it home. We just had to pick up a few things like basic, like milk and water and like sandwich meat and stuff like that. I'm gonna end the video off now just because I'm going to be working and then probably eat and then brush my teeth and go to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming Vlogmas videos. Go follow my social medias if you want. I've been a lot more active on TikTok recently. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.